Hey, what's up, TikTok? I broke my damn jack. Tried to pick the foot up and went out of the driveway, busted it back, so I took it off anyways. But I used my new jack, my skid steer. I just parked it to the back of the trailer. Works pretty good, boy. And it can't roll because the trailer's touching the ground like that. So when I get back, I'll park the truck there and pull the skid steer back ahead. Absolutely perfect, man. You can't ask for nothing better than that. I'm gonna block the wheel though, just in case. Just in case, boy. In case it tries to roll off. This ain't got no e-brake on it. Ain't got no e-brake on it, so once in a while it likes to roll. There you go. Let's get it, dude. It must have been perfect with that bucket on the front there. Shit. I can probably just push it back down on. Nope, it's too heavy. Ooh.